everybody, welcome to part 2 of decluttering our garage to turn it into a DIY workshop. The plan for today is to empty my dad's truck out so we can fit in some metal that we're going to take to the scrapyard. I hope that you find this motivating if you're trying to clean up something around your house. Sometimes it looks a little bit worse before it gets better, and you just have to keep going piece by piece. Right now we're looking for a set of Allen keys that my dad has because he was telling me that we have to use the Allen key to take off these pieces from the steel. Apparently if we don't take them off, they'll give us way less money for these metal frames when we take them to the scrapyard.
But if we leave the steel in the aluminum and the recycler sees it, they will deduct X number of dollars off the whole load rather than just the one piece. So what we have to do is remove the corners from this aluminum bracket and make it worth more money. There's also steel brackets on the back of these aluminum pieces, so they have to be unscrewed too and thrown in the steel pile so we don't get money deducted from the aluminum, because aluminum's worth more money at the recycler than steel.
You guys, we have so many projects to do. This is a project for another day. I helped my dad pick up these pavers. Someone was giving them away for free on Facebook Marketplace. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a whole pathway along the side of the house. But first we have to clean the garage. So this is our backyard, and we have a whole pile of steel under this tarp that we've been storing. So what I have to do right now is carry this out to the truck and take off those metal pieces with the Allen key like my dad just showed us to take it to the scrapyard. No loitering, no trespassing. Don't ask me why we have this. There. You can see the fence again. There's some wood we gotta get rid of. That was a chair my dad made that fell apart over the years. One of those Muskoka chairs. So all that steel is out front, and now next is to load it to the truck. It's really hot out here today. I'll have to check the weather. Come out.
Oh, it'll come out.
Huh.
Take up persuasion.
You're determined. Yay. Got it. It's our bucket of metal getting bigger. Okay, I just learned that this is a Robertson screwdriver. It has a square head, and my dad said it's a number 2, and I said, how do you know that? And he said, because it's written on the back. He's laughing at me. Okay, so that's it for today. We're gonna go to the recyclers with the steel tomorrow because today is Sunday and they open tomorrow, which is Monday. And we'll see you then.
Don't forget to hit the like button.
Oh, my dad says to subscribe and to like and to comment and to share.
Sure.
Okay, it's Monday morning and we're on our way to the recycling center. There's a little bit of a traffic jam, a Monday morning traffic jam. So Dad, how much do you think we're gonna get at the recycling center for what we have?
Well, we have some cast iron. We'll probably get maybe $40 for the cast iron. And we have what they classify as shred steel. So we'll probably get maybe less than $100 for that. Maybe total we might end up with maybe $110, $125.
Okay, so my dad thinks we're gonna probably get $110 to $125. Let's see what we actually get. On our way to the recyclers, we stopped at Tim Hortons because we're Canadian, and that's what you do when you're Canadian. It's always step one. You have to make sure you have your Tims. We went to AIM Recycling in Burlington, and when you get there, the first thing they do is they weigh you. So our truck with all the metal inside the back weighed 7,480 pounds, and then they weigh you again after, and you get paid on the difference. This was my favorite part of the scrapyard. I just thought this pile of rotors looked really cool, and we had some rotors from my dad's truck that he had replaced that he tossed into the pile. Then we had to get weighed again because rotors are cast iron, which is a different metal than what we have in the rest of the truck, and therefore paid at a different rate, and we could already see that we were 160 pounds lighter. Now we're at another part where you can dump kind of whatever, I guess.
This is steel.
This is steel.
That's the way to do it, eh?
I guess that's the way to do it.
Big dump truck.
Yeah. Okay, that's all our stuff. Look at this place here. Nuts.
A moment of truth.
Okay, so now we get weighed again one more time, and then I guess they pay us, right?
Yep.
Today I learned that you should wear steel-toed boots to the scrapyard, and I also forgot my gloves, so I learned to not forget those next time.
Okay, thank you.
Moment of truth.
Yeah, less than $100.
Oh.
I think so.
How much?
95.
95? Okay. Still not bad though. $95 in this economy, we'll take it.
So we got $79.80 for the steel, and for the cast we got $19.35.
For a total of
$99. Yeah, $99.
Okay, thanks for watching another episode of DIY with Dad and Me, where we earned $99 minus coffee money. Let's recap what we learned this episode. We learned what a Robertson screwdriver is, the one with a square head, and there's a number on the back. We learned to wear our steel-toed shoes to the scrap metal yard and to not forget our gloves. And we learned that you can make some extra money by taking your clutter to the scrapyard. Okay, and thanks again for watching, and tune in next time where we continue to declutter our garage and I continue to learn some DIY from my dad.